So in this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from one OKX account to another OKX account instantly. That how you can transfer these crypto coins 100% free when you are transferring from one OKX account to another OKX account. In previous videos, we have transferred from KuCoin to KuCoin, Binance to Binance, Bitmart to Bitmart, and many other exchanges. If you want to watch these videos, you can find from this channel. So let's come on the video without wasting any time. So I will show you all these steps using the mobile application. So here you can see I have opened OKX account on my cell phone. So to transfer crypto coin from this account to another OKX account, come on the assets, and here you can see the multiple options just like deposit, withdraw, transfer, history, and analysis. So basically transfer function is used to transfer the funds from funding to trading, trading to funding. For this, for internally we use transfer, but if you are transferring from one exchange to another exchange, exchange to another wallet, or one account to another account, then you have to come on the withdraw, click the withdraw. So when you press the withdraw, here you can see the multiple options, withdraw crypto and P2P trading. Here you have to select the withdraw crypto. After that, you will see all the crypto coins which you have available. Just like I have 10 app, USDT, SHIB. So I will transfer USDT from this account. I will select USDT. So when you press the USDT, here is the important part of the video. Here you can see on-chain and internal. So basically, on-chain is used to transfer the fund from one exchange to another exchange, not the same exchange, or you can set the exchange to wallet, then we will use the on-chain. For example, you are transferring from OKX to Binance account, then we will use the on-chain. But if you are transferring from OKX to OKX, then you have to use the internal. And you can see that it says transfer crypto instantly with zero fees through OKX user. That's perfect. Come on the internal. So here you can see when you select the internal, you can transfer the fund using the phone number, email, sub account, and UID. So the perfect thing is that if you don't want to share your phone number, email to any third person, then you can select the UID. So here we need UID of the user where you are transferring the funds. And here let me show you the interesting thing that you can transfer 0.01 USDT from OKX to another OKX account. That's very interesting part. So here we need UID. So let's come on the another account and let me show you that how you can get the UID, which is very simple. Here I have opened my another OKX account. So to get the UID, first you have to click on the dots which you find on the top of the left. Click on it. After that, here you can see the profile. Click on profile, and here you can see UID. Copy this UID and provide the user who are transferring the funds. So come on the first account, press this UID. So I will transfer 5 USDT from here. You can even transfer 0.01 USDT, 5 USDT, and you can select the withdrawal account. If you click on it, so here it will show you that how much USDT you have available in funding account and trading account. If you click on the both, so in the priority, funding account will be used to transfer. If there is the less fund in funding and more fund in trading, just like I have, then the remaining amount will be withdrawn from my trading account. I will confirm this, click on submit. So when you click on the submit, you will see the withdrawal confirmation receipt that you are transferring to this account and network fee is free. You can transfer these funds free, amount will be received is 5 USDT. Confirm. And here you have to complete the verification. You will get the code on the email and phone. After pressing the button, send code, send code. After adding the codes, click on confirm, and here you can see it says request has been submitted. We are sending 5 USDT to this UID. If you have changed your mind, you can cancel this in a minute. Click on view details. So basically, OKX Exchange provide you facility that you can cancel the withdrawal within a minute. After that, you can't reverse this. So let's wait 1 minute. You can also turn off this option from the setting. Currently, I have already turned it on. So after a minute, 5 USDT has been transferred to another OKX account. So let's check another OKX account and verify the transaction. So here you can see I have opened OKX account and now I have 5.66 USDT. Come on the asset, and here you can see the notification one deposit received. Click on it, and here you can see that 5 USDT we have received in our OKX account. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer the funds from OKX account to another OKX account instantly and 100% free. If you face any problem, please comment down below. If you like the video, please give me thumbs up. See you in the next video.